I twist my head to the side just for style. Or go on the Gucci bucket with the fly, super fly. All the southern private on to shut it down. It ain't so country though, nigga. This ain't no Homer pile. I'm sorry to slaughter. I keep my shit cooked to altar and altar to satisfy my people in Georgia and cross the border. And across the border, the essays are getting smarter. They got flour for tortillas and lettuce for enchiladas. If you follow, wink, wink, no doubt we don't speak in a blink. Them folks can have you sleeping in the clink. I'm sitting on niggas, ain't peeing on the seat. It's the nigga to B-I-G-B-O-I-O-U-T. Nobody cool in the club, time to cut your rug. And throw the juice up in this guy just for the shut the buzz. I'm double fisted if you hit it, you can grab a club. Boy, stop, I'm just playing, let me cut the bug. Why? It's after 12 club like a high beat. Up the high, cause not everybody buzzing around me. Could it be the way that the verses sounding came up on the ghetto boys and the underground kings? Boys, I had a wrong, call it pretty brown thing. Pink look like Rubio when the sun was shining. Known to keep a bad bitch, no niggas beside me. And that's bigger on the blue, in case niggas is clowning. Not to flex, but to protect my neck like the Wu-Tang. Self-preservation is the rule when you do aim. Forget it's something more sinister. You gotta be the finisher. Make it so the doctors, they can't replenish him. Or bring them back to life, back to reality. Gon' get us some hoes, leave it alone, triple